How to add your languages on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your languages on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then account, this one settings, and then this one profile information, and go down until you find here this one basic info. Click edit and then you will find here languages. Just add your languages like English and then click save, or if you want to add another languages. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.